While Canon has, along with Nikon, long dominated the DSLR market, it has struggled to replicate that success with mirrorless cameras. The EOS M was underwhelming to say the least, with poor autofocus performance, while the EOS M3 and M10 haven't really progressed their range that much. The arrival of the M5 could shake things up a bit though. Sitting at the top of Canon's, albeit still modest, mirrorless range, the M5 is designed to appeal to experienced users, with Canon hoping it will appeal to current higher-end EOS DSLR users looking for a more portable alternative to their DSLR. Canon EOS M5 specs. Sensor, 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS. Lens mount, Canon FM. Screen, 3.2-inch tilt-angle touchscreen, 1,620,000 dots. Burst shooting, 7 FPS. Autofocus, 49.f. Video, Full HD 1080p. Connectivity, Wi-Fi and NFC. Battery life, 295 shots. Weight, 427 grams.